Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tina Merkley and I am your local South Florida real estate agent. Today's video is going to be a tour of a listing in Delray Beach, Florida. It's listed at $4.5 million, just over 4,100 square foot. It has a pool and it's just absolutely stunning. So make sure you keep watching. Also, I want you to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing a ton more of these home tour videos and you are not going to want to miss these. So make sure you subscribe to keep posted. Also, like and comment down below your thoughts on the property and let's go.